YouTube. It's August 18th, 2018. I'm here today with the BumbleBeeCX Smart Quad Mini Drone. Just got this at Hobby Action in Tempe, Arizona. Here's what you get. So, let's see what you have inside. The Bumblebee controller. Okay. The Bumblebee aircraft with some elastic holding it down. That's cool. Got some little cushions on the landing there, and some prop guards. And let's see what else you get. You get a some spare propellers here, 4 spare props held in with a piece of foam. That's cool. And a USB stick charger. So before I can fly, I'm gonna have to plug in and charge, and this needs 2 AAA batteries. So track down some accessories and then we'll fly here in just a moment. And we're back. So the battery is now fully charged in the Bumblebee, and I've placed some batteries in the transmitter. So this is what you get. Okay, so you turn on the airplane first. You turn on the controller. Okay, so at this point it's ready to fly, from what I have been reading in the directions. We'll just let that sit for a second here. Here is the instructions. It's pretty amazing. Well, actually, wrong side. Here we go. So they do say that the trim buttons are used as the takeoff and landing. So normally, you know, this is a remote that this form factor is used on a lot of models, basically. So instead of using this as a trim, this model uses that as the takeoff and landing control. It also supports the command stick, where if you do this, I think the motors will arm, or maybe it's this. There it is. So the motors will arm without taking off. Okay, so you can arm and disarm by using the bottom corners of the thing. So we're going to go ahead and take off. Let's see what happens. Maiden flight. Here we go. The Bumblebee drone. There it is. Look at that. It flies. Should have turned off the ceiling fan before I got started here, obviously, but here it is. Now this one apparently can also do flips. So let's try a flip here. Let me get over here a little bit. There's double rates. There's a back flip. There's a side flip. There's the drone flying at you. It's got blue lights in the front. Woo! And there it is. So let's try the auto land function. So right now it's altitude holding on its own, and it does seem to be doing a pretty good job. I'm not doing anything right now. I'm just letting go of the controls completely. There it is. Okay, let's try auto landing here. There it is, auto landing. And it worked. So there it is, the Bumblebee Smart Mini Drone. Thanks for watching.